Today I'm going to show you how to pick up and knit new stitches on top of your already knitted garment. So here I have a stockinette stitch sweater in progress. I have followed my pattern instructions and kind of marked the first stitch where I want to start from. In this particular pattn, it's 21 rows down from the armhole and 20 stitches over from the center of the armhole. And then I'm going to be picking up stitches all across kind of 2/3 of the front panel before I start working the little fabric flap that I want to have that goes on top. So in order to pick up stitches, I marked with the stitch marker the first stitch I want to pick up. I'm also going to find the approximate kind of line that I want to trace, that I want to pick up from, kind of fold it over to make sure that you're not uneven with the line where you pick up the stitches. So here's the first stitch I want to pick up. You want to find that horizontal bar that's in between your knit stitch, and you're going to pick that up. And then here is my new working yarn, if I could find the end, and you're going to just knit that bar like it's a stitch, and then find your crease again. You might want to take this slowly the first couple times. Make sure you're finding that center bar in between the next stitch and knit that as normal. And just continue working in that manner until you've picked up and knit all the stitches that you want to pick up. And you want to make sure when you're doing this that you're paying attention to what side is the right side when you're picking up the stitches. So I want obviously there to be stockinette that is visible on the same right side as the sweater. So I picked up and knit here, so you could see the stitches that I'm adding. This is the right side, and then I'm going to work this way. So you want to just pay attention to what side you pick up from too when you're attaching to make sure it's the right side. And there you have it. Just keep going down that line, making sure you're following the right crease. And then you can just, purl backwards once you get to the end as normal on the wrong side and keep going. And that's how you attach some stitches to some already knit fabric.